steps for free. Today I want to share something else that I found for free. Every hassle, anything that I find out there for free, I'll bring it on in here so you can take advantage of it for my people, for my community. Pixlr. Welcome to Pixlr. Pixlr offers a free photo editing tool that is similar to an older version of Photoshop. While it may not be as comprehensive as its pricier alternative, if you want to touch up photos for your Instagram or blog, it does everything you need. Okay? It is free online photo editor and design tools. You are paying a lot of money out there for many things. I mean, quality, yeah, versus quantity, I get it. But some of you cannot afford this. And I'm bringing it to you for free. You cannot say no to this. What? Do you prefer to do some crappy thumbnail stuff like that and picture stuff like that for free? I mean, without nothing? I mean, do videos of things without nothing? I mean, you can use this at least. Give it a try. It is free. Okay? I just wanted to share this with you. You can take advantage of that and you don't need to pay others. I mean, I would recommend you to compare it, but for what it does, there are many things in here that it does that you probably are doing on the expensive version, and it will be a good deal because I mean, some people use others online editors and design tools, and they're not using everything that they're paying for, you know. So you probably, this is simple, straightforward, and you might actually take advantage of this and do the same thing as the other, and bang, you got the same money. You have to be careful these days. You have to make sure that you actually save money and that you know, carefully know how to administer your expenses. If you're actually having a business, if you're trying to do something, you know, you gotta know how to do things. And hey, this is not a brainer. I'm giving you a good opportunity here, deal. Gotta make a disclaimer: FDC4 production doesn't get sponsored by Pixlr. I don't get any money whether you come in here or leave the another or come. No, I'm doing this for the love of my heart to all of you, to my community, to my followers, the one that come in this channel and provide me support, even though my presentation sucks because the audio really. I get it, and you still don't complain. Thank you for that, and I'll do my best to improve and bring the best out of me in every single video. I know I'm gonna do better. I just waiting for that new microphone, and you know, I'll do it. Anyways, this is said. Now there is more reason to use Pixlr for all your online image editing needs. You hearing me? Now there is more reason to use Pixlr for all your online image editing needs. Whether you are up for classic desktop style photo editing or prefer something more modern, we have got you covered. Both Pixlr X and E are AI powered online photo editors that let you unleash your creativity in one click to archive professional photo edits more intuitively than ever. Remove background with a BG remover or create a transparent image for your design with a tap. It's all about making design smarter, faster, and easier for you with our next AI photo editing feature. Design and do so much more with the world's #1 cloud-based photo editor now. Gotta tell you, I am using an online photo editor and design tool for my thumbnail and picture and stuff like that, and I cannot remove the background. I didn't know about this. I can use this now. You see what I'm talking about? It does apply for me, and I'm gonna have to consider it. Gonna check it out. The problem with this is it's a new thing. You gotta get used to it, back to square one. I'm pretty sure that some of you will say, you know what, just for the trouble of getting to learn everything all over again, because the speed matters when you do your thumbnails and do your picture and all this stuff. The speed matters. Sometimes you can actually spend time doing thumbnails and stuff like that for hours and editing a video because you don't know how to work the command in here, where the another one is there. So it could be a nightmare, and I totally get it. I totally get it. And nobody want to go through all the hassle. So it is what it is. But it's for free. Okay, it depends on how willing are you to save money. And they said it looks like the older version of Photoshop, so it's very simple and straightforward. It shouldn't be that difficult to be done. Here is the differences between Pixel X and Pixel E. Start designing with stunning templates, and Pixel E jump into advanced photo editing. One is the photo editor, and another one is powerful photo editor for pros. So Pixel X, I believe, is the cheaper board. The free version of it. I'm really not sure about Pixel E. I think it might be the premium. I don't know, but let's see. Launch this out. Oh, I think it's. Yeah, you can use it, both of them. Yeah, you can use them both. So disregard. See, launch it. But we're not gonna get there. It's too much. This video is not to teach you how to do it. This video is to tell you that you can use this for free and a few information from the outside. I really don't do like a step forward on how to. No, I don't do none of that stuff. I just actually bring you the intel, and you on your own time, because this video is supposed to be short. I cannot actually take myself 30 minutes or 1 hour to teach you one video. I'm sorry. The intel, I bring it to you, and you take it from there. Get the Pixel desktop apps. You can actually complete with intuitive AI photo editing tools, stunning effects and filters, editing images and smarters, faster and easier from whenever is now possible, even while offline. So you can use this even when you are offline. Super easy to master and deliver pro results every time. Download the app now and start exploring. You can do that for it looks like it's available for Windows. Yeah, Windows 10. That's the logo right there. That's the catch. Apple, you don't fit in here. I think it's only available for Windows users, Windows 10. And this is my favorite tool. Remove the background. Erase backgrounds in your photos with ease. Instant AI power background removal in an instant single click. I'm pretty sure some of you will actually identify with me that when you're using this photo editor stuff like that, they want to catch you with the background removal premium section that you cannot do unless you upgrade to premium. You don't do that in here. Now you can remove background from portrait, selfies, profile pictures, and more in mere seconds for free. How you like me now? How you like me now, babe? How you like me now? You see what I'm talking about? That's what I'm talking about. For free. You can do this, make it happen. It's beautiful. Alright? I'm gonna put the URL down below. so you can actually come into my channel, into this video, and get the intel and check it out on your own. Okay, and the sky is the limit for you on there, ladies and gentlemen. And if you have any concern, any further questions, don't hesitate and let me know. I'll be here to provide you any intel, additional intel, but everything that you should know is into this URL. You take it from there. I'm gonna actually try to subscribe because it's free, and I can actually use feature from here. I don't mind learning. It's never too late to learn. So let's see what happens. Good luck on to the next one. Love you all and see you around. Enjoy this. It's for free. Have a wonderful day.